Avoid these mistakes when looking to lease commercial office space. Securing the right commercial office space is a high-stakes endeavor where minor oversights during the negotiation phase can lead to major financial liabilities years down the line. To ensure your workspace supports your business goals rather than draining its resources, some of the more critical mistakes that you need to avoid include: Number 1. Focusing solely on the headline rent. One of the most common pitfalls for new tenants is fixating on the base monthly rent while ignoring the total occupancy cost. Many commercial leases are net leases, meaning the tenant is responsible for a pro rata share of the building's taxes, insurance, and utilities. If you fail to account for common area maintenance or CAM fees, which cover everything from lobby security to snow removal, your actual monthly outgoings could be 20 to 40% higher than the advertised price. Always request a historical breakdown of these additional rents to ensure the building fits within your true operational budget. Number 2. Overlooking future scalability and flexibility. Many businesses sign long-term leases based on their current headcount, only to find themselves overcrowded or paying for empty desks within 2 years. A significant mistake is failing to negotiate expansion or contraction rights, such as a right of first refusal on adjacent suites. Without these, you may be forced to relocate prematurely, incurring massive moving costs and lease break penalties. Conversely, ensure your lease includes a sublease or assignment clause that allows you to rent out unused space to another party should your business pivot or downsize. Number 3. Neglecting to audit maintenance obligations. A standard lease often shifts the burden of expensive mechanical repairs, such as the HVAC system, entirely onto the tenant. Entering a lease without a clear understanding of the age and condition of the building's infrastructure can lead to a surprise $15,000 repair bill in your first year. You should negotiate a latent defect period or a cap on maintenance expenses for major systems. Ideally, the landlord should remain responsible for the building's structure and the roof, while your responsibility remains limited to the interior space. Number 4. Underestimating the lead time and negotiation phase. Rushing the process is a recipe for a bad deal. Many tenants start looking for space only a few months before they need to move. In reality, the cycle of searching, touring, negotiating the letter of intent, or LOI, and finalizing the legal document can take 6 to 12 months. When you're under a tight deadline, you lose your greatest source of leverage, the ability to walk away. Giving yourself ample time allows you to create competition between multiple landlords, often resulting in better concessions like free rent periods or higher improvement allowances. Number 5. Accepting the landlord's standard lease form. It is a dangerous misconception to believe that a landlord's initial lease draft is non-negotiable or industry standard. These documents are inherently designed to protect the property owner, often containing aggressive escalation clauses or holdover penalties that double your rent if you stay even 1 day past your term. Without a commercial real estate attorney or a tenant representative, you might miss hidden costs like administrative management fees or vague restoration requirements. You must advocate for a cap on annual operating expense increases to keep your costs predictable. Number 6. Failing to secure tenant improvement allowances. Many tenants make the mistake of paying for the entire office build-out, walls, wiring, and flooring, out of their own pockets. In a competitive market, landlords will often provide a tenant improvement allowance, or TI, which is a dollar per square foot budget to customize the space to your needs. If you don't ask for this during the initial LOI phase, you effectively leave money on the table. Furthermore, ensure you negotiate turnkey options where the landlord manages the construction, or ensure the TI allowance can be applied toward other costs like moving or information technology infrastructure if the construction comes in under budget. To learn more about our law firm's commercial leasing practice, visit our website and contact our law firm to schedule an initial consultation. Thank you.